Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Tuesday, guys. A bit late today. I'm sorry about this. Oh, okay, that's fine. How are you guys? How's your morning? How's your yesterday PM session because it was garbage? More giveaways is coming, by the way, this week, guys. Okay, 16. Okay, guys, before we start, I would like to ask you would like to get opportunity to be able to get my funded futures new plans? It's got a giveaway, idea for giveaway, or funded next futures, which is also new plans for giveaway. What do you think about this? Or both? Guys, the right answer is both. We are going to do both, not today, but this week. Yeah, funded next futures launched new plans yesterday, and we are going to do giveaway of these plans. Right? 1 second. I'm going to just introduce you some plans because finally funded next futures running new plans, launch new plans, which is affordable and pretty much solid, which I really like so far. So I will buy more evaluations for myself to try these new plans, but would like to talk about this a little bit because they launched yesterday new plans, funded next futures. And as you can see, a regular price is going to be for 50K, $129. But personally, I highly recommend to get 25K account because you can scale up to 12 accounts in your funded. But with my code, it's like special price. You can get 25K for just $53, which is pretty much solid. So you can get up to 12 accounts with 25K and up to 6 accounts with 50K. Look at these prices. So it's pretty much sold in my humble opinion. What I do like about this, no profit split. So that's why I would like to give them a chance. So I mean, I already have old plan. I would like to get new plan. I'm just thinking if I'm going to get 25K or 50K, which one is better? So they don't have profit split right now, like at all, which is solid. 6 accounts with 50K and 12 accounts with 25K. Why it's hard for you? You said it's a bit challenging. Why? I wouldn't say so. You know the beauty of this? So this means you're going to pay, for example, with launch price, let's say I'm going to get 50K, $89, but I'm not going to charge for the second month, for third month, for fourth month. So this means true cost to funding total, including activation fee, evaluation fee, is going to be $89. So all you pay is $89. So which is solid, right? I just would like to talk about this with you guys because, in my opinion, that's pretty much solid deal so far. So this means I will buy right now, like today, account. I'm going to get 50K because I used to trade with them for $89. I can take my time to pass this, and all I pay is $89. So I don't need to pay activation fee. I don't need to pay for the second month. No. You need to pass. You can pass for 1 day, but you can pass for 3 months if you want. No, guys. It's just one time fee. You don't need to pass for second month. This means all you're going to pay is, if you're going to get 50K account, is $89, or if you're going to get 25K, is $53. You will not need to pay for second month, for third month. and so on. So there is no consistency rule on challenge, but there is consistency rule on funded account. So I believe it's going, guys, I'm personally going to spend my own money on this. So I'm going to pay for this account as well. And because I do like this so far, so it's cheap, 100% profit split. So it. No, I was talking yesterday with a guy who is manager, I guess. He said it's going to be just one-time fee. You don't need to pay for the second month. I asked this question because I had the question and I asked, he said, yes, it's going to be just one-time fee. I wouldn't say it doesn't make sense because how many people actually pass account and actually keep their funded account? I don't think like a lot. 95% I would say blow accounts. This is how they make money. Yeah, it's just one-time fee. You don't need to pay. They don't have monthly fee subscription. It's just no activation fee and one-time evaluation fee. It's just launch price, guys. Regular price is going to be $79 for 25K and $129 for 50K. No activation fees. That's why, guys, I highly recommend to try this as well. I already have the old plan for 3 months. Solid. But this is cheap plan, so I'm going to get this as well just to try. Let's see how it goes. What do you think about this, guys? Funded next futures. I will do more, by the way, guys, I will do giveaways of these plans as well, but so far it's solid in my opinion. It's funded next futures, guys. So far it's pretty much solid, which I do like. You can pass for 1 day, so it's solid. Because I was reading yesterday rules, you know, guys, I'm picky with prop firms, but I have old plan. Where's my mouse? Where's my pointer? But so far it sounds like a deal to try them. Funded next futures. It's 100% profit split. I can pass for 1 day as Apex has, right? So no daily loss limit. I can start with 5 minutes once I pass my challenge. After 5 successful payouts, I can withdraw all money. And 1 million total allocation. This means you can have up to 700K on your challenge and 300K on your funded account. So it's solid. I will try this. If you want to try this as well, so they have special price right now. First 14 days is going to be $99. But I talked with a guy yesterday. He gave me a promotion, like extra 10% off. And you can get this for $89 or $53. So total sale is around like 30% off. Too good to be true. That's why I'm going to give them a chance. I already have old plan. It's solid for 3 months. So for 3 months, it's already like solid, right? So I'm going to buy. I'm just not going to decide if 25K or 50K. Not sure yet. I will think about this. Not huge difference in price, like $30. But I will see. No reason to buy 100K, definitely. Right? So, but makes sense to get, I guess, 25K. Look at this. Profit target 1,500. Max loss limit is 1,200. So, probably 25K sounds better for me because I can buy up to 12 accounts. So I can be funded with 12 accounts, which is solid, right? Yeah, I'm going to get this today, as well as I got Epics. So I'm going to have lots of evaluations, finally. So I never had 25K. I can actually try this. I don't think that's hard to pass, honestly. Like 5 micro is not a big deal. I can actually pass for 1 day. I think so. They don't like, no. Funded next futures actually for US people. Guys, there is no activation fee. That's extremely cheap deal so far. That's why I would like to talk about this. So as you can see, all you pay, like for evaluation, total cost to funding is going to be for 25K, $53. There is no monthly subscription. That's why I do like this. I'm going to try this. Yes, I do copy my trades. I will copy across these accounts. Highly recommend to get TradeAway so you're not going to have the problem in the future. Now, consistency on funded accounts. There's no consistency on evaluation at all. Yeah, it's funded next future, so it's a new plan. That's why I would like to talk about this. It's funded next futures, guys. They call this like rapid challenge. Yeah, it's cheap. Guys, you know, I like cheap prop firms because I can scale on them and I can like gamble maybe sometimes. So I will give them a try, guys, if you want to give them a try. So they're running sale for 14 days only. With my code, you can get 89%, or without my code, you can get 90%, $99 for this account. So it's up to you. Sounds like a deal. Sounds like a deal. Okay, we'll see. I'm going to buy this after stream. Okay, let's talk about price action because so far, guys, ES and NQ kind of crazy. Oh, yeah, of course. SMT settings, of course. Okay, guys. So far, NQ and ES kind of crazy. Why? I noticed it's not in sync for the last couple of days. And while NQ keep going to the moon, ES actually just retraced to OT and that's it. I hate to predict something, but I believe next 4 or 5 weeks it will drop hard. Looking at seasonalities, right, makes sense to drop soon. In August, maybe by the end of the August, right, I would like to see drop. If you go on weekly chart on NQ, you will find weekly bullish fair value gap. And I believe we may drop around like 1,000 points on NQ next, maybe not within like next 5 weeks, but I believe it will drop like between August and September. And I do like to see, don't talk about Kaplan. On evaluations, that's fine. And I believe NQ offers finally attempt to drop to weekly bullish fair value gap near, it's around like 1,000 points lower. Going down and down. So this means I will look for the 582 level. It's more than 1,000 points lower. Okay, guys, my question for you. What do you think about like NQ in the future, like overall? What do you expect to see? It will continue pumping to 24K or 25K, or we will get retracement back to weekly bullish fair value gap first, and then we will get move from external to internal back to external. Because today I was like, it's impossible to be bullish every single week and every single day. But look at this price action, guys. At this leg up since April, right? We actually don't have any retracements on both ES and NQ. And I do like to see move. Why I would like to see retracement, not only because of internal range liquidity. We got new break of structure, right? Bullish break of structure on weekly chart. We need to get first retracement after this. And first retracement after this, I believe. Let me open MNQ so I can draw there to show you. Like in my perfect world, what I would like to see if you go in something like something like this. That's my perfect plan, guys, for NQ next by the end of this year, I would say. What do you think about this, guys? It's weekly chart. Like overall, I hate to predict high time frame. I'm just trying to understand what we can get. We cooked. Okay, guys, let's just imagine it's not weekly chart. Like, it's not weekly chart, okay? If you see this kind of picture, just for now, like, it's not weekly chart once again. What do you think you want to see? Like, imagine that's 1 minute chart, right? If you saw the picture like this, what would you would like to get? Once again, imagine that's 1 minute chart. Don't you mind to see the retracement down to fair value gap? Like if it's 1 minute chart. Once again, imagine that's not weekly chart. It's 1 minute chart. It's not even in queue. Just, I don't know what is this. I don't think like there is any sense to look for SMT. So if I want to imagine that's 1 minute chart, it's trying to build low resistance, right, to downside, and I do like to see the retracement down to this fair value gap. We pump again. We got break of structure to upside. I would like to see the test to continue going higher. This is what I would like to see. Yeah. Not sure about the high yet, of course, but something like this. So this means ideally next 4 or 5 weeks, I would like to see an attempt to retrace. So this weekly fair value gap to buy again. So that's my plan, guys, for NQ. Long setup for now. Let's check. Oops. Where is now our 9 a.m.? Okay, from what I see, empty model will be for short, probably, after OT retracement. Okay, my plan, give me 1 second, I will show you what I would like to see. So I would like to see the test of New York midnight open. This means I don't really mind to see another pump, M2OB short. So I believe for now empty model will be for short. 25K is round number. Yeah, we call this psychological level, exactly. So I will look for the short on NQ for 2R. Nothing yet. Okay, let's leave it so far. How are you? I'm absolutely fine. How are you? So let's check gold. Let's see what we have on gold. I don't really have bias. No trace today, by the way. Well, we have untapped fair value gap slightly higher. Guys, what is your bias on gold? Other field. What about gold? I just opened this and trying to talk about the price action. Let's do top-down analysis real quick. Nothing on daily yet for a chart. I believe we still have room to go lower, but probably it will retrace slightly higher first. Yes. So let's see. Just looking at 4 chart and hourly chart, I guess I would like to see an attempt to take this hourly fair value gap, and then I will look for smart money universal, probably. So I'm quite bullish. I would like to see 30, 32, something like this. Yeah, would like to see slightly higher first. Yeah, that's my plan, guys, for now. Let's see if we may get any short setup from hourly fair value gap. Yeah, honestly, I wouldn't short inside this range. Give me slightly higher, please. Yeah, for scalp, for scalp, that's fine. I don't really care about this overall structure. Still, it remains bearish, but would like to see slightly higher first. Let's check CL. Oh, CL broke the roof. Oh, look at this. Very reversed. We reversed from Totis, so it didn't reach this O2, but from Totis. Okay, that's fine as well. Let's do top-down analysis to see what is going on. Okay, it's still inside tight range. Left equal lows lower. We have buy-side liquidity higher. Okay, what can happen? It wants to take buy-side liquidity, drop to equal lows and pump again. Maybe. Yes, it will be nice to see retracement higher on gold first to hourly bearish fair value gap. That's my plan. Correlated pairs for what? For gold or for CL? Just talk about M2 model. Probably it will be for short. I think so. Yes, we have daily order block slightly higher. I saw this. So that's planned for CL, probably for now. No, we need to trade below 9 a.m. open, not open. Like, we need to really trade below 9 a.m. open first. And if you trade below 9 a.m. open for M2 model, we can long. We didn't get this, right? Okay. For CL, for SMT, I use RB and HO. I guess it's personal preference, so I pick both. RB and HO. For gold, here's settings for an indicator. I have a video about this where I shared all settings for indicators, by the way. Just go on my YouTube channel, you will find this. Yeah, I strongly believe right now empty model will be for short. But let's see how it goes. It's still too early, nothing too short yet, so maybe it will retrace slightly higher first. As you can see, we got open, 9 a.m. open, early open, right? And we didn't trade below 9 a.m. open yet. So it traded, still trading above 9 a.m. open, I believe. I hope we are going to get empty model for short, but once again, nothing works 100% of the time, right? So we will see how it goes. Good morning, good morning. Do we have any important news today, guys? So did you take any trades today? Because I saw absolutely nothing to trade. Like nothing worth to try to trade. So we do have news at 10, right? Okay. We have news at 10. What I want to say, tomorrow is FOMC, so probably I'm not going to trade AM session at all. You know, it may try to affect, it will offer volatility. Yeah, it should. I didn't see perfect trades on gold, I'm not going to lie. I was checking this morning around like 7 a.m. and nothing worse to try. Oh, 8, 10 a.m. You took short on NQ, right? Yeah, oh, look at this, amazing trade. Yeah, I missed, I guess, everything on NQ. Because NQ, by the way, did you see where NQ dropped yesterday? And that's because chat voted for move up. Of course it dropped. Exactly what we wanted to see, right? So yesterday my target on NQ was bottom of new week opening gap. And this is what I was looking for all morning. And I was like, probably I'm wrong with my bias. It was crazy, right? Nice pump so far. Maybe we'll take pre-market high first. What? Oh, look at this chap. Only yes. What's going on? Why NQ keep going higher while yes really struggling with pump? Hard to understand this. Okay, let's see if we get empty model for short. I hope so, but we will see. We will see. I mean, every day is strange day, so we will see how it goes. So far, it's just sitting flat, completely flat, no trades at all. We'll trade my funded futures and take profit trader today only. Where it's going? To the moon, of course. Honestly, I have no idea where it's going. We're trading all-time highs. I mean, I have projection at almost 24K. That's it. I don't have any other levels. Guys, do you have any other projections? Maybe I'm missing something. Which one should I use? Last leg down before reversal for 2 and 2.5. Oh, we just got this. Okay. We have force induction 650. Just if you don't use manipulation leg projections, I guess there is no any other targets. So we just hit 2 and 2.5 range. Time for the tracing back to 1 and 1.5. Retracement to 1 and 1.5. That's maybe a lot. So basically, we're looking for the retracement from 2 and 2.5 to 1 and 1.5. We just got a retracement to 1 and 1.5. Let's see what can happen right after this. Oh, okay, of course. Once again, empty model is going to be for short, but we don't have a 2-minute order block just yet. So nothing yet. If it's going to pump right to force an deviation, it's going to be crazy, guys. I'm not going to lie. Look at this. No, I believe I would like to see still higher. I wouldn't short, as I said before, in this range. I would short from this hourly fair value gap, probably, yeah. So according to our rules, how we use standard deviation projections, normally, if NQ did not reach any high time frame level at range between 2 and 2.5, the only problem, we don't have any high time frame level. But let's say we didn't hit. We expect to get the retracement to the range between 1 and 1.5. And from the range between 1 and 1.5, we would like to get straight move to forced standard deviation. So let's see if this classic rule is going to work, because if it's going to work, it's going to be crazy. Right? Yeah, it's huge order block. I believe if I want to short, at least to try to short, I would like to see minor retracement to create these down close candles for another move up. So it's going to be smaller OB, you know? Yeah, by the way, I was watching New York midnight open as well. It was my key level for today. That's crazy so far. Okay, guys, market is open like 4 minutes ago. Okay, it's just crazy so far. So let's see if we get straight move up to force and division 650. Good psychological level as well. Gold, why is dropping without us? What was the problem to get move to internal range liquidity? I'm just asking. And once again, guys, look at ES. Nothing. And that's my biggest concern right now, because when I'm trying to look for the trade and Q keep going higher like second day in a row, like right. But ES, nothing. Nothing. Like nothing at all. That's why I'm kind of confused with overall bias and what I want to see from the market today. Tomorrow's FOMC, I'm not going to trade the EM session at all. I guess that's right decision. But this market is crazy even like before FOMC. Okay, it's like 15 points away from forced standard deviation. Yes, that's why it's crazy. I never seen like ES and NQ not in sync at all for 2 days in a row. That's crazy. Look how ES struggling with pump. It just feels like it's not ready to pump at all. It still kind of remains bearish. We just need trace to OT and that's it. That's why it's kind of tricky for me overall. Because I clearly can see ES struggling with pump while NQ keeps saying like, let's go to the moon, just buy with closed eyes. What's the problem? What's the problem? Okay, we got classic rule of standard deviation projections. If you would like to learn more about standard deviation projections, you can watch my video about this on my YouTube channel. Yes, it's taking break. At least one smart person in this trading world, right? Yeah, FOMC tomorrow as well, so that's why it's crazy. Probably. Remember we talked about news calendar on Friday, and what we saw is no news on Monday, probably accumulation, pretty much what we got. Yeah. Tuesday we have red folder news. The question is if it's going to be manipulation to reverse tomorrow, so midweek reversal tomorrow, Wednesday reversal profile. If so, that's going to be nice. If not, it's not going to be nice. Simple. Okay, and Q-fold projection today, like almost to the tick. Crazy. Crazy. What is going on? It's crazy. As you can see, so far nothing to trade at all. I like it. No, I don't like it. Okay, let's see. Maybe we can get him to model on yes. Maybe not, but let's just try. Ah, no. Forget about this. Never mind. I'm keeping my eyes on gold and CL as well. Nothing. Unfortunately. Okay. Is my code still valid from? Yes, it's still valid. It's going to expire in 2 days. Yeah. Guys, I bought my funded futures as well to try them. So far, so good. But it was released, so I bought them. Traded yesterday. Hope to get something today. If not, then it's going to be not good. Look at this, guys. How perfect reaction from forced standard deviation. So far, just trying to weak, but at least trying to reject from forced standard deviation. I'm not saying like we will not go higher. Totally possible. Just interesting how we stuck at this forced standard deviation. Be with you about this manipulation. Overall, I would like to see manipulation day to day. This means totally possible to see just move higher all day for this manipulation. What is standard deviation? I have a video about this on my YouTube channel. So yes, exactly. My funded next futures right now running 14-day sale. So you can get 50K account for $99. But yesterday I was talking with manager. He said if he gave me the code, like with my code, you can get 10% extra. So it's going to be $89 and that's it. No activation fee, no monthly subscription fee for evaluation. That's it. True cost to funding is $89. Oh, just go on my YouTube channel, click videos, scroll down. It's even called like ICT standard deviation projections. Yeah, I'm buying today this as well after stream. I have old plan. I'm going to get new plan. I just cannot decide if I want to trade 25K or 50K. Funded next futures. Funded next futures. There's no monthly fee, just one time evaluation fee. No activation fee. Gold needs to pump. We all know this. Nice rejection from this fourth standard deviation so far. Huge SMT between ES and NQ. ES not tradable. Look at this weeks. And that's 2-minute chart. That's not even 1-minute chart. So, let's see. I will probably wait as well because right now it's just crazy. We're using just 2 models recently. I mean, idea is the same, just different time frames. I mean, yeah, yes, still trade inside the week opening gap. I don't really care if it was 50% or something like this. It's still ranging. I do like how we're trying to reject from forcing the deviation. I don't like that we are not going to have good 2-minute order block. Yeah, because we told them high, I guess it's obvious it's overbought, right? Gold just hit my TP after I hit stop loss. I know. Nice rejection from forcing the deviation. Okay, not going to look at the ES right now. No reason just for this yet. Truly don't understand what market is trying to do right now. Empty model for short. We don't have M2 OB. That's the biggest issue. But I would like to see New York Midnight Open today. We have news at 10, so basically in 15 minutes. I'm going to switch on 1-minute chart. Okay, candle missing. Okay, it's okay. We have 1-minute OB, right? That's it. Candle missing. Yes, it's mad. As I said, ES struggling with move up. It doesn't want to pump at all. It's really bearish. Okay, we're about to hit New York Midnight Open. It will hit next couple of minutes, I believe. New York Midnight Open on ES. But my this morning I was preparing my pre-market plan. My daily target on both ES and NQ is daily open. So basically 6424.25 and 504.25. So I'm looking for daily open today. I don't know what time it's going to happen. This week I will do more giveaways. Something special? No. No. Just in the mood. This week I will do lots of giveaways. Next week as well. It's going to be funded next futures. It's going to be my funded futures. New plans on both firms, and I will do some take profit traders. What do you think about this? Sounds like ideal? Sounds good? Watch my last 3 videos if you would like to learn about my model. New video is going to be next week about MT model again, but I will include backtesting there. It's just going to be short introductions and backtesting. I hope it's going to be next week. I hope. I believe. I will show you how backtest is on NQ. Just on TradeZella. I will pick, I don't know, like random year to do this. Yeah, MT model pretty much straightforward. I use copier. First present fair value gap. Not going to use this. So this one play out. I'm going to move just to the right. Exactly what we want to see from 2 and 2.5, from 1 and 1.5, and straight move up to 4 standard deviation. Classic standard deviation rules. I'm going to pull projections right now, which is going to be just OTA to see what is going on there. We just hit 50% basically equilibrium of this leg up. But I officially don't have any levels higher. Nothing. It's already reached all levels they had. Nothing to aim for. Maybe our crystal ball can help us, but that's it. Nothing to aim for. Good morning, good morning. Overall market kind of crazy. Look at this. Look at this candlestick right now, down close candle. I don't like anything just for now. Oh, come on. Can we please trap? Okay, my plan, guys, perfect plan for the day. New York midnight open is, yes, that's right, but I would like to see this one. What is annoying right now, we don't have MT model. I would really wasn't this my short. But huge, just straight move up and validated my OB. By the way, this indicator, which calls change in the state of delivery, highlights potential order block. So basically, it's trying to tell me if you're going to close below this dark black line, it will create change in the state of delivery, bearish change in the state of delivery. Yes, I would like to see NQ to New York midnight open and daily open. So I'm just not sure if it's going to happen like just right now. Maybe by the end of the day. This one and this one. My 2 key levels for the day. On the yes, by the way, the same. We just hit New York midnight open, like it was my first level. And my second level is going to be daily open. That's what I have. I don't officially no levels higher for me. Reach what I had. Nothing to add. Okay. Come on. What about just retracement? A little bit. Like, no, don't drop right now. In love with this price action. Feels like not fair so far. Come on. What are you doing? You shorted the top and closed early. You could just trail your stop loss. Come on. Oh, something wrong with my internet connection. Guys, can you hear me? Just to make sure everything is fine. But that is not the model. That's the biggest issue. Okay, no chance to enter for me. Just nothing to enter. 0 chances. Ah, okay, not like I'm not even disappointed, just hate when I clearly would like to sell over, but it offers 0 setups. Once again, maybe it offers something on 1 minute chart. I just don't trade 1 minute chart at all. I wouldn't say it offered something. Like, I guess it should be a candle somewhere here, right? So it created fair value gap. We got minor trace to this fair value gap, and that's it. Okay, I mean, nothing. I wouldn't engage anyway. Just trying to stick to the model. Yeah, I don't really hate first present fair value gap. I just don't use this because I don't see the logic. I'm not hating this. Everything works. I just don't see the logic. But that's me, so gold just that price action, unfortunately. MC model definitely for sure. The only issue is was a straight move up. Hate it. But it's okay. It's okay. That's life. Oh, you got perfect entry by the way at 644, 42. Oh, that's brilliant entry. Because we have 2 options to pick OB. It's either going to be the very first candles that touch higher from level or sequence. We didn't have higher from level. You can pass for 1 day epics. This is what I do. Oh, you just used 1 single candle. Okay, I got it. I was waiting for sequence because once again, I normally use like a couple of candles when we have sequence. So basically, I use the very first candle that touch higher from PDRA. We just don't have it. I'm so happy you use the model to make money today. That's nice. I just want to say it was kind of more aggressive because you used just 1 single candle. But risk was like 10 points. Maybe it was to try. Maybe it was worth to try, but I wouldn't. Changing the state of delivery, in my opinion, sequence. You can trade well enough to pass for 1 day. You're fine, Daniel. You don't need to pass for 1 day. Come on, guys. When we're trading, we're all gamblers. Because it's all about probabilities. You cannot know for sure if it's going to drop or pump. You're chasing at any means. Sometimes intuition will help us. Right? Yes, we have news in 5 minutes. So waiting to get something good. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Like 10 points stop loss worth to try. Even with just 1 minute, it's like $200. It's okay. Good morning, good morning. Oh, timing is, I guess, the most common issue for me as well. Okay, maybe we aren't gamblers, but it's pretty much similar idea to be lucky and be gambler, right? Like different stages. Well, guys, yesterday I switched to Android finally. My iPhone just too slow, so right now since yesterday I'm Android user. What do you think about this? Educated, exactly. Such a nice explanation. So I'm right now Samsung user. See this? It's finally. I still have my iPhone, but I'm not going to lie. It's 15 Pro Max. It's 2 years old. It's just crazy slow presently. I love this phone. I just cannot use this anymore. I don't know why. Like Apple makes this slow, not because it's broken. Apple did this. So official Samsung user. Where's price going? You see my error. I would like to see. I would like to see daily open. Okay, waiting for news, guys. If you're right now in trade, just be careful. I mean, I was thinking like, should I get, for example, new iPhone? It doesn't make sense to buy 16 if 17 is going to be in September. Like, what's the point, right? To buy 16. I didn't see the reason. I was like, okay, Samsung. No reason to buy 16 at all. As you can see, NQ left New York midnight open while ES traded below this level. Trust is okay, okay. Okay, guys, waiting for news to engage, maybe after news, because so far market is just crazy. Look at the left side of your screen. It's a yes. Look at the right side. It's NQ. What do you want to tell me about this? It's not in sync. I mean, I do like iPhone. It was my favorite phone for 2 years, but it's so slow right now. Something wrong with my internet always, with my battery, but it's okay. It's old enough. But I don't know, like it's hard to use this recently. Just need to change the battery, probably, but no. Time to try something new. Okay, ES just hit New York midnight open. It was so close to daily open, like 1 point away. Yeah, I will show you real quick. Okay, guys, I'm waiting for news. So it's actually news right now. I don't see volatility yet. Oh, wait a minute. Seems like guys, check MNQ chart, please. Seems like MNQ different with NQ again. We'll check. I'm going to check. Can you check on NinjaTrader just to make sure? Oh yeah, that's different. My favorite. Okay, NQ and MNQ different again. What's the difference in price? Like couple of points. 83. Yeah, a couple of ticks, not points. It's 2-minute charts, yeah. Yeah, it's different right now. I don't mind to see lower, but who actually knows? Yeah, I keep comparing right now MNQ and NQ. Okay, completely different so far, especially this range. Because leg down was pretty much similar. I would like to see New York midnight open at least, but preferably daily open. Look at this 20-minute candle. We have flat candle on 2-minute chart. I'm looking for continuation lower anyway. Just probably would like to see slightly, as you said, you would like to 601. I would like to see maybe 610, 615. Maybe just going to drop without any retracement at all. Still not in sync with the ES. That's cold enough. Way better. Yeah, exactly. Be safe and don't make stupid mistakes. Exactly right. Gold consolidating, absolutely ugly chap. Seal keep going higher. On NQ, I hope it's going to drop more. Let me check real quick something. It's not traded yet, just going to check something. 63 points, okay. I know, guys, I would like to see lower. Maybe I'm wrong with my bias, but I would like to see the setup playing out. I have nothing on NQ. On ES, I mean. Nothing on ES to trade. I have no idea what market wants to do with ES. It's quite slow so far. No, I'm not to this trade just yet. I'm just curious. What's wrong with my background on NinjaTrader? Why it's so dark? No, and not to this trade. If I'm going to engage, probably I will try with 5 micros. Not going to trade more than 5. But here's, guys, see what, like, see NQ on the left side and see M and Q on the right side. See how different charts right now? What? Okay. Guys, what you would like to see? You would like to see a new high of the day on NQ, or you would like to see continuation to New York midnight open and daily open? What is your bias? Lower. Me too. Oil just straight move up since 7 a.m. So I don't think like it makes sense to check oil right now. Daily open. Yeah. Previous week, I mean, like, it seems to model for short, what I highlighted on my screen. So two are close to previous week high level, but my key level daily open. I'm not quite sure about 2R, but I do like to see we taking out daily open. Because I feel like we're inside second stage of redistribution right now in lower time frame market maker sell model. As I mentioned before, all I see just for now, looking at price action, is this setup. That's it. I don't see any other setups just yet. But I'm not in this trade. Because honestly, I would look for long on ES, but I would short in Q. Anyway, I'm going to keep this on my screen right now to see how it goes. Gold, nothing. So unfortunately, on gold, nothing is going on. It's just stuck in consolidation since 9:30 a.m. So nothing for 40 minutes. As well as nothing on CL and Q. Japanese yen. Okay. It's almost each our equal loss level. It's already done. But to trade. That's daily chart on CL. I would like to see we taken out 68.34 to drop to equal lows at 64.09. Then long again. I would like to see maybe a flat candle on 2-minute chart. At least it may give us less risk short, because right now risk is around like 60 points, which is even crazy with 5 micros. Inside our parabolic capacities, yeah. I just overall, like, look at this candle on 1 hour chart. It's just really crazy. It's ES, it's in Q, huge SMT, not in sync at all. I know, like, nothing worse to try. Anyway. If it wants to trade slightly higher to offer another short opportunity with less risk, I would consider this, but right now, huge risk. Unfortunately. RTA chart, let me see what is going on. So we feel some, like, around 25% fill, right? It's not telling me a lot so far. I will give it more time because I know. Because once again, on ES, I would long right now. On NQ, I wouldn't long right now. So on NQ, I would continue looking for short. And this is the main reason why I'm not in this trade for now. Because once again, I'm seeing, let me open ES here to show you. I'm seeing right now ES looks more bullish, while NQ kind of more bearish just for now. I'm totally fine to wait more, so I don't think like I'm doing something bad right now. Not engaging at all. It's okay. It's okay. It's in Q chart, but for CFDs, it's just going to be different price, but I guess price action are the same. I don't use breakers, but breakers is nice PD rate, just don't want to use lots of, different PD rates for as an entry. But yeah, like breakers are fine. Chap. I would be happy to trade something on gold and seal, but even there, nothing is going on. Please don't act like this. Be kind to us. Okay, I'm going to do this for now because I'm not on this trade, so no reason to show you this. What do I use for high time frame? Watch my last video. I just explained this I post this on Friday, so it's new video. If you didn't watch my last video, guys, highly recommend to watch this. I explain how I use how I do tab analysis, how I use market maker model. Six oh one is nice level. It's okay. We also have flat candle at 611, so I'm fine. I'm checking gold right now. It's open on my another screen. Nothing. I wouldn't short this. On gold. Recently, like IM session is crazy to trade. But the market, nice. Like 7, 9 AM, gold, CL, any other assets but not in Q is nice. I guess it's going higher. We will see so. I'm not going to lie. I see yes higher, but I don't see in Q just higher just yet. I already said, like, kind of hard to believe in SMT at highs for now. Huge SMT. Maybe that's me, but yeah, gold not doing much. I agree with you. As I already said, I was short on gold from hourly fair value gap near 35 level. I'm not looking for SMT. I'm looking for ES and NQ to be in sync to understand where price is going. It's not in sync right now. Overall, like, let me zoom out to show you. See these pictures? Never seen that before. Ross, you said you would like to see New York midnight open. I would like to see daily open. So New York midnight open is, I know, like, obvious level, but daily open is even more obvious. We don't have like good manipulation on daily candle just yet. I would like to see, we have small week, couple of ticks week, but I wouldn't say it's nice manipulation. I'm not long, I'm not short. I would like to see yes higher. I would like to see NQ lower. So hard to say what I would like to see at this point. Will I really be profitable? It's going to be sounds stupid, but you just need to believe in yourself. It's what I think is going to be my answer. So if you're going to be like you're going to be profitable, but not going to believe, like not only going to believe, but do something for this, and yes, you're going to be profitable. We got ugly 2-minute order block, right? Bullish order block. That's it. We traded below not 9 a.m., 10 a.m. open. So M2 model for short based on a 9 a.m. hourly candle. And I wouldn't say like M2 model for long based on 10 a.m. It's pretty much a good sign of consolidation. See these key icons? I would like to see these two levels. This means I'm quite bearish on NQ and quite bullish on yes. Time 6 p.m. New York time. Because, okay, here's my ideal scenario for NQ. That's my ideal scenario. I have no idea what will happen. That's what I would like to see on NQ. It's M2 model. We hit first standard deviation. We traded above 9 a.m. open, right? We created absolutely ugly 2-minute OB, huge OB. That's it. Guys, if you long on NQ, tell me why. I would like to see your opinion. Talk with me. If you decided to long NQ, just tell me why. Because probably I'm missing something to feel pain. Yeah, I'm checking gold. I would like to, you got my point. I would like to see hourly fair value gap. I would like to see it trading tutorials. That's only plan what I have so far. I would like to see higher on gold first. For potential sell off, I believe it will offer second stage of the distribution to drop lower to 3290s. So I'm bullish on gold, but we need to see higher first. If it's going to pump higher, NQ will drop, which is in a line with my biases today. You looking for short on gold? Let me check, by the way, gold on NinjaTrader, because sometimes it's different. We have difference, right? By the way, guys, on NinjaTrader, what contract you trade on gold? Because it should suggest me to trade December contract. Guys, if you traded gold today, tell me please what contract did you trade? Because I'm kind of confused with contract. December? Because I see huge gaps on December. Oh, December. I see huge gaps on August, but not on December. That's why I'm asking. Let me show you, like maybe you can help me with this. So guys, it's, which one? It's December contract, right? But if I'm going to click on August contract, see these gaps? Probably I will give a try on December contract because we don't have gaps there. Okay, I will stay on December then, because something wrong, I guess, with August. It's about to transition, just I'm not quite sure when. I will check volume and open interest after Steam, but right now, want to ask you, maybe you figure this out. Because symbol Q means August contract, Q5. That's why I'm asking about this. Because when I'm trying to pick contract on NinjaTrader, even like an instrument section tells me, Dasha, use please December contract. But comparing, like August and December contract, I see August has gaps while December doesn't have gaps. So I guess I need to check open interest, but probably December. I would like to see higher on gold to Totis. I'm not bullish, but we need to see the retracement to our fair value gap first. Okay, it's 10:22, 23. Nothing happened so far. Oh, okay. Open. We got. Thank you so much for checking this. So far, volume and open interest are higher in December contract. So yes, I will stick with the December contract then. Well, let's see. Maybe by 11 it will offer something. You don't have gold. I do have gold. I mean, December contract for trading this on futures. December contract to trade this on futures. Yes, I used 2-minute standard deviation projections. Please do something. I don't mind to see lower, at least to New York Midnight Open. If you want to drop, please go to weekly open, New York Midnight Open, and daily open. I'm just telling, just saying, please, just a bit lower. ES need to take daily open as well, so ES need to drop like 5 more points, 6 more points. Guys, tell me please you're long, so market makers will see your message. We will drop. It's going to be faster. We need some speed, please. It's slow because of you. No, you must say you're in long. Then it will drop. Because market makers don't say drop soon. Say we go to the moon soon. Market makers see our messages. Long. Good job, guys. Drop it to daily open on ES, to New York Midnight Open, at least New York Midnight Open on NQ, but to daily open. Please. Guys, more longs in the chat. It's working. I told you, I know how it works. From my bad experience. More longs in the chat. Okay, let's be serious right now. As you can see, NQ took New York Midnight Open. That's brilliant. ES needs to drop to daily open, which is another 3 points lower. And at this point, let's drop to at least to weekly open, but daily open preferably on NQ. What do you think about this? I like how gold keep pumping. At this point, NQ should drop. Let's see if we take daily open on both ES and NQ soon. I hope so. The question when. I like how we took New York Midnight Open finally, because ES already traded below New York Midnight Open while NQ really was above this level. That's nice. That's already great. Right now, the question is if we may get daily open on both assets. Nice reaction from New York Midnight Open. I mean, our two key levels on the ES and NQ taken. Next and last key level for the day is daily open. That's it. I don't have any other levels. Daily open and that's it. That was my daily objective for the day. Daily open. Long or market is a scam. Are you being serious? I just would like to see one more move lower to see potential reversal. Would like to see daily open. Absolutely in love with move to New York Midnight Open. That's nice. We have SMT at lows between ES and NQ, but we do need to see a little bit lower. Maybe it will take time. That's fine. Chop. Could be better, but it is what it is. Would like to see daily open today. Maybe lunch will drop lower to daily open, but daily open is my daily objective, guys. I can put like 2 key icons. That's my daily objective for the day. Daily open. Daily open. If you go on daily chart and look at current price action below daily open, you will see like small wick, right? On this daily candle. Can you see this, guys? If you go on daily chart, you will see below daily open, we got small wick. So this means we didn't get strong manipulation before move higher. And I believe we will get the test of daily open to get like delayed manipulation, or how to call this? Delayed manipulation, probably. I hope I answered your question. I mean, overall structure is just garbage. It looks really ugly so far. But normally, if gold is pumping and Q trying to drop, and on gold, I would like to see another like solid 7 points higher on gold. We talk about bias before market open, but we need to drop, like to see hard drop on NQ and good pump on gold. That's the plan. Praying for this plan. Did you long NQ, right? Can you please tell me what was the reason behind your long? I'm just interested to see, because I was quite bearish for the day, and I'm just trying to understand when people. I was asking before if people long, just why? What was the reason? It's always good for me to compare what we saw. I'm not bearish on all-time high. I want to see daily open retest. Just trust me. Like setup that you see here. Let me like put in this. Setup that you see here is basically just small retracement, pullback, not significant pullback. But I would like to see daily open simply because if you go on daily chart and look at current daily candle, you will see how small wick below daily open. I would like to see like stronger manipulation, bigger wick, It's just logic. It's not really like perfect draw daily open or something like this. Yeah. Летим. It doesn't mean it should happen just right now. Just right now. It may take time. It may happen maybe during PM session. I don't know. But it will happen. I hope so. Just don't know when. Maybe it will like take time for PM session or for lunch, but I would like to see daily open today. Why don't trade this? It's look at NQ, yes. It's just not in sync at all, and I just don't see the reason. I mean, I can try this on evaluation right now, for sure. But I don't see the reason to risk a funded account with this trade, honestly. On evaluation, yeah, we may try this, but it's evaluation trade, means nothing. And I will call this trade like because I want to see drop. But let's be honest, so far just chop. Yes, needs to drop lower to daily open. And Q daily open as well, but it's not in sync at all. So once again, I might try this on evaluation, but I don't think I'm going to try this on fund accounts today. This price action not worth to try this on funded accounts, in my opinion. I like this. Yes, really trying to drop to daily open. Struggling, yes, but will drop. Otherwise, it's a scam. So I'm looking for just daily open. That's my daily drawn liquidity. I'm not asking for more. We should try long. We could, but I sleep at this time. It's 2 a.m. here. I never tried to trade YM, so I don't know how it moves. So need to try. Need to backtest first. God will pump slightly higher. I hope so. Another 6 points higher. QQQ, SPY, SPX for options. Yes, I did try this. To trade the stocks, like for long-term investments, yes. Like for daily trades, no. Okay, guys, let's conclude this. If not enough stress in your life, trade in Q. Best recommendation. If not enough stress in your life, let's trade in Q. I'm from Belarus, but I live in the US for solid 9 years. Yes, just 4 points lower. A drink while trading in Q to reduce stress. That's the best recommendation for the day. Took screenshot of this comment, final comment. How big range so far? Let's check this out. Oh, 30 points range. My favorite. Yeah. 20 points range. What can be better than 30 points range on NQ? I don't know. McDonald's is high, guys. By the way, yesterday I saw like big billboard with higher, and I'm like, okay, I know I have another option. Plan B is here. We are safe. We are safe. OnlyFans. Yeah, okay. OnlyFans and McDonald's. Which one is better? I don't know. The spongy, exactly. You remember. Higher on silver. I would like to see higher on gold as well. Easier. Did you check this? You have experience? Yeah, yes, and Q so far just garbage. Takes 3 minutes to open account. Okay. Okay. Good to know. Yeah, I know. Gold will pump another 5 points higher. Oh, we have plan Z. Yeah, exactly. Lots of plans. Yeah. We will survive in this world. Okay. Okay, okay. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on, Q. Come on, something. Let's do something, please. Yes, drop into daily open finally. Just took forever to do this. Well, NQ didn't really do anything yet. But I'm surprised NQ didn't drop while gold came pumping. So that's crazy. See, yes, right now. See this? One tick away. Mm-mm. It's not done yet. Should drop more. I think so. I hope so. Not talking for not talking about NQ because I would say maybe not worth it. But talking about yes right now. To daily open, please. We got 2 minute order block. I cannot say like it's strong to mute order block because it's part of consolidation. I wouldn't say it's like order block even. Something similar to OB. Looking for long now. I would say on yes need to take this daily open first. I'm talking right now about yes. I do like to see daily open in Q as well, but yes kind of makes more sense. It's not in sync at all, so for 2 days in a row. Is the second stage is time distortion? Exactly right. This is exactly what we have so far. Distortion. So the short that you see right now on screen is empty model, just not for 2R. On gold, would like to see we trade into hourly fair value gap, which is at 30, so 30 to 31, so somewhere there. You need to pump 5 more points. Daily open is coming on yes, like still 1 tick away, 2 ticks away so far. While in Q is barely moving. Offer some speed in Q, please. Yeah, here we go. We took daily open on yes. Let's see if we may get some speed on NQ because daily open on NQ also good target. On gold, let's see if we get set up 5-minute or 15-minute smart money reversal from this hourly fair value gap. 5-minute. 5-minute smart money reversal from hourly fair value gap. Because I was looking for this trace and I still believe gold's inside market maker sell model. So gold keep bumping, so that's a good sign for NQ to drop. 1050. It's 1050 by the way, let's see. Yeah, so far just sweep. That's because of magnet, by the way. I will do simply because you asked me about this. Simply because you asked me about this. So yeah, we have two magnets. It's yeah, it's not rainbow color, but weekly open. I don't think like weekly open should be point of reversal, honestly. I would like to see daily open, and I already explained why. That's because of your pink magnet. So I'm looking for daily open. I know daily open is not liquidity level, but why I'm looking for daily open, because if you go on daily chart right now, you will see how we traded below daily open. See this small wick there? So this small wick means we didn't get like strong manipulation below daily open, right? So this means I would like to see test of daily open again. I hope this part makes sense. I hope weekly open is not going to be point of reversal. Otherwise, it's not really make sense. But what makes sense is the test of daily open, and I will be fine with potential reversal from there. Maybe the test of previous week high level, because previous week high is going to be, let me basically check real quick. Close to 2R, yeah. That's previous week high level. There's a trade above this level, but I always would like to have this as support or resistance levels. So yeah, peak magnet equals TP. Let's see how it goes. Oh, you're welcome. So yeah, I drew these levels on my own every morning. It's not that hard. I have templates for this. See this? Just go to templates and pick what I need. Easy to use. So create this template, spend like 30 minutes of your life one day on weekends, and it's going to be easy. A bit colorful charts today, right? Yeah, of course. I mean, just custom templates. You can do any you like. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. I believe we will not get pullback. So MT model so far offered 1 hour, which is already solid. Recently, like 1 hour, especially with huge stop loss, maybe a best idea. So setup that you see on your screen is basically 2R. Next week, I will post new video about MT model again. It's basically going to be short introductions and backtest. I will show you how backtest is on TradeZella. You can use any other backtesting tools. Yeah, price action crazy recently. I don't trade PM session. I didn't trade PM session this month at all because PM was really choppy. So, really choppy. I'm not going to lie. Let's see if we get daily open, and then I will call today's price action garbage, but with nice delivery. Lunch session, yeah, it wasn't bad. I would say somewhere between like 11:30 and 1 or 12:30. So yeah, too slow, yes, but at least it goes in our favor. That's fine. Pretty slow, but not that bad. Could be worse, honestly. Like it could be like only yes, not big scam, just small scam, right? Yeah, that's right. What I want to say. This week I will do more giveaways. It's going to be new planned giveaways from my funded futures and funded next futures. So they launch new plans. I'm going to do giveaways of these plans. What do you think about this? Yeah, on gold, I'm looking for this hard fair value gap. I'm just not sure how much time it will take, honestly. Just would like to see reversal or at least retracement from this hard fair value gap. What level did we hit on? On yes. Oh, I see. We trade into this BPR. Okay. See this BPR, guys? Nice. BPR. Balance price range, right? Just 50% of this BPR, by the way. Also nice to see this. I wouldn't say like I backtested like gold in Q or inverse correlation, not really, but I noticed when NQ dropping, let's say, then NQ usually gold usually goes up. But when gold and NQ, let's say, go up together, normally NQ is manipulation before drop. Yep. Good to keep your eyes on this. I cannot say like you should consider this always for in your trades, but good like keep your eyes, especially if you have level higher on gold and level lower on NQ. Good confirmation, right? All I ask on NQ's daily open is my daily objective, my daily draw, and that's it. So I have no idea if it's going to drop more. I don't really care, honestly. All I ask is daily open, simply to offer so-called delayed manipulation. I'm not even sure if it's going to give you like setup 2 hour setup. Most likely no. But daily open must take. We must take this level. It just doesn't make sense not to take this. How many points were we? Like 17 points? Should take this. I refuse to believe it's going to fail. Weekly open should not be point of reversal at this point because we're still inside new week opening gap. Doesn't make any sense to reverse from weekly open. I don't have level on yes anymore, like at all. Clearly, yeah, it's already done with all levels. Maybe it will go to Friday low, which is not necessary to see, but you got it. Stuck at this weekly open, Sunday open, but once again, doesn't make any sense to reverse from here because price still inside and Q still inside new week opening gap. Never say never. By the way, that's right. I'm just, usually trying to find the logic, and I don't see the logic. Okay, not going to say never. I just don't see the logic. Reverse from weekly open. Can be wrong. See this daily candle? Come on, just trade below daily open. Do this. Games. Okay. Gold hit my hourly fair value gap. I hope it didn't short this. Let me check. Yeah, nice move. Nice, nice. So let's see what can happen inside this hourly fair value gap. Don't press sell button just yet. We are not stupid, right? Let's see if we get smart money reversal within this range. It was 2 points away. That's crazy. Oh, okay. Then that's fine. Good trade then. Good trade. It was 2 points away from daily open. No way. Look at this daily candle. See this small V, guys. This is what I'm talking about on this daily candle. See the small V? Let me take a screenshot to show you. Going to zoom in. See the small wick? I call this like not strong manipulation. That's why I would like to see we breaking below daily open, just for now. It's not liquidity level, it's just logic, I guess. You just ask, Chris, you ask nice question, but what do you think is going to be right answer? I would like to see your opinion first. What do you think is going to be right answer? Yeah, that's right. If we got 15-minute order block, you want to ask me if you should anticipate continuation or reversal. And answer is going to be, did we hit any higher from level? If so, yes, we got for our potential sweep. We got for our potential sweep with confirmed 15-minute order block. Perfect. We got some sort of move down, right? And it happened before 10 a.m. That's nice. That's brilliant. But with this with this move down, did we hit any higher from level? If not, 10 a.m. is going to be continuation. If so, we anticipate to get reversal retracement. Since we didn't hit any higher from level, we anticipate to get what? Continuation. Partials, internal liquidity levels. So basically, liquidity levels within legs. For example, here, internal liquidity levels. I hope this part makes sense. I explained this exactly on my trade that I took yesterday on gold. So we got moved down, and it seemed like it was trying to reverse, but in reality, with this move down, we didn't take any higher from level. And what we had? Just retracement to drop again to higher from level. At least to take internal sell side liquidity, right? Yes, balanced hourly BPR. You cannot, I mean, ICT has lots of, I guess, 88 PD rays, but personally, I wouldn't say 50% of the range is PD ray. Probably my answer is no. Yes, on gold, So guys, if we hit our repeat rate, what we would like to see? Usually. If we hit higher from PD rate, what level we would like to see? What we would like to see to enter short? On gold. We just hit our fair value gap. What conditions should I have to short this right? No, not right now, but soon. We call this as what's the name of this? We would like to get smart money reversal, right? So basically, it's going to be higher from PD, lower time frame market maker model. And in order to confirm smart money reversal, we should get order block with market structure shift or order block with inversion fair value gap. On 5-minute chart, do we have this right now? Hello, hello. Nope. This means no shorts yet. See how simple is this? So also preferably you can see the time of the day. So it's already done with good time to trade gold. Normally gold trades between 7 and 9 a.m., between 9:50 and 10 a.m., and during Asia between 7 and 10. As you can see, right now is 11:12. Normally, we see price action becoming slow. But thank you. I hope it's going to drop more. At least daily open. I already tired to say this, but we need to take daily open. Just drop 14 points lower. That's it. What do you think about funded next features? I already discussed this. Absolutely in love with new plans. And I would say why I'm going to get this today after stream to try. Just probably will try 25K. It's one-time evaluation fee, no activation fee, 100% profit split. So sounds like a deal to try. So I do like this. It's pretty much affordable right now. So it's not expensive anymore. Just considering all deals that we have so far, it's one of the best deals. So I'm going to try them. It's 100% profit split with new plans. Nope. Let me see. It says 100% profit split. You in long? Okay. I was talking yesterday with manager. He said it's 100% profit split. I asked even him about this. You can use my code if you want. You will get same deal. You can get extra 10% off if you want. Which prop firm funded next features? It's dropping. That's brilliant. Brilliant. Yeah, I do have code for funded next features. I have extra 10% off. So basically, your account is going to cost you, for 50K account, is going to cost you $89. Oh, thank you so much. See? And woohoo! Finally. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I didn't touch funded accounts, only personal account on TradeWeight. Let me log in right now on my TradeWeight account because I reinstalled Windows, so I need to log in again on TradeWeight. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I didn't touch once again fund accounts today. Let me see if I can see executions. I cannot. $95. That's crazy. I hate it. Let me see if I can see it. Let me log into TradeWeight. Give me 1 second. It takes time. That's my personal account on TradeWeight. Traded from my laptop this morning. Didn't touch funded accounts at all. Because it's account blown, so I don't want to trade this on funded accounts at all. It's okay. So I entered, let me see where I entered. What was it? Like 560 at this change in the state of delivery. See this indicator, by the way, how perfect this indicator is? Highlights order blocks, which I absolutely like. So it's because I remember I was looking for order block indicator from Lux Alga, I guess. And it didn't highlight order block properly, in my opinion. So, but this indicator highlights exactly what I need. I can send you the link if you want, guys. Brilliant indicator. Guys, use this link. It's not by Fadi, by the way. Yeah, I didn't touch this on funded accounts. I didn't want to trade funded accounts, so I decided to trade on personal because I don't have like any limits there, you know. Oh, hide from candles. Did you see? By the way, if you want to get indicators I use right now, just go in description of this video, scroll down. It should be somewhere there. Like it calls like indicators I use like all the way down. Yeah, next indicator is going to be Dasha sell here, buy close here. Let me. How can I change background color? Sorry, guys, I'm so an open trader. Wait, I'm not going to lie. How can I change the background color? Great question. Not like this. Control Z. Oh, I found it. Dark. Oh, look at these candlesticks. That's crazy. Wick up. Body. Apply. Ooh, look at this. Guys, I'm like noob right now on this trader. Wait, that's so funny. I don't use ICT sessions or something like this. So here is a final move. It's going to be 2R. As you can see, I didn't engage in this because I wasn't even sure. 63 point stop loss. It didn't worth to try. So I was using this order block. I guess that's 1 minute chart. Yeah, sorry guys about this. It's 1 minute chart over here. So I was using this 2-minute order block somewhere here. Stop loss was swing high and I was aiming for daily open. So basically I closed some at weekly open, then I closed some somewhere here. At daily, okay, over here, and I closed at the break below daily open. So next week I will post new video about M2 model and how I backtest this. I will just show you how I backtest this with short introduction. So on this trade I made $900. Oh yeah, of course. Give me 1 second. Right now the question is if we get 2R. Because 2R of this M2 model is going to be right below previous week high level. Asia high. Oh, I mean, you mean Asia low. Give me 1 second. Oh yeah, Asia low was taken a long time ago. Anyway, today's price action was so slow, but not normally, but overall it was okay because delivery was obvious. So 2R of this M2 model at 462. At 462. Oh, look at this drop. I didn't even feel like bad to close early. You know, my draw was the daily open. Only took 2 hours to deliver there. Crazy. Crazy shit. Come on. I did expect drop to daily open, not lower. I mean, maybe 2 hours. That's what I have. I'm not aiming for more. Look at this. It keeps selling. What about gold? We do have inversion and we do have change in the state of delivery. Yes, I believe it should retrace soon. greenkeeping magnet is equals CP. Yeah, exactly. So I would like to see 2R, but as you can see, I already closed what I had. Because I'm conservative, so I would rather to take. I got by the way more than 2R overall, but I'd rather to take like obvious levels and sit and like have no idea if it's going to drop more. I know. The test of previous week high levels, that's nice. Oh, it was personal account, yes, in Q. It was same in Q. I made $920 on this trade. Du, 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 du. Du, 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 du. Oh, my entry was at this order block. Sorry, I guess it's 1 minute chart because it's trade await. 2 minute order block. Sorry, guys, I know it's just 1 minute chart. Didn't switch. I didn't want to enter initially. I decided to stay away from taking this trade on funded accounts. But I saw risk is like 13 points. I was like, okay, maybe I will risk this. But as you can see, I closed my trade at a bit below the daily open, but honestly could hold to this for this 2R. I noticed like empty model this month and last month was brilliant. Yes, it doesn't want to provide you. At this point, it was like 120 points, but you had to risk 63 points. I wasn't ready to this, honestly. So aim for 2R, maybe 1.5R, and be done for the day. Yes, in 5 minute chart, we got a smart money reversal on gold. I already said that, yes. Okay, empty model today play out for 2R. Yesterday, it was around like 1.7R. But after 1.5R, based on rules, you must move at break even. Next week, I will post backtest session video. I will show you how you should trade this. Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah, it keeps selling. I'm so happy to see this. I risk 2, profit is 1. On this trade, I got more than 2R, but still nice trade. It's personal account, by the way. Na 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 na. I didn't touch this on funded accounts. I wasn't such confident there, by the way. You think it will drop that much? By the way, did you notice how we hit 2R on gold, CL, or NQ, and immediately it offers not reversal, but at least reaction? I saw this many, many times. It wasn't bad today. It was just slow. We were bearish from the very beginning. Yes, it's a good start. Yeah, of course, especially on trader weight. Guys, it's not about how much you made. It's about how good stuff it was, right? And how many points actually you got at this trade. I don't really care if you made like $9 in this trade, but you was able to catch this move down, or you made like $9,000. I don't really care, honestly. And you don't need to care about this as well. Can someone stop in queue, please? I mean, See, like, who cares how much you made? So yes, approaching Friday low. I believe Friday low will be taken. Um, if not mistaken, Friday low was taken. No, Friday low wasn't taken on both assets. So I will keep my eyes on these levels. Give me 1 second. I'm going to align this. You know why it dropped? Because I asked the chat to type they are long, and in reality, we just we just dropped because market maker saw your messages, guys. They were hiding your demo losses, sim funded losses, stop losses, right? It is what it is. People, start understanding jokes, please. Come on. You better than this. Next trade. Once again, my daily drone in Q was daily open. I got lots of evaluations which I didn't even touch yet. You will not be surprised if it's going to go to all-time high. Yeah, I agree. Totally possible. But I will be surprised to see if ES is going to do worse without taking Friday low. I mean, SMT, it's nice, but since it was like 3 points away, it's going to be kind of crazy. You're not sure when. You know what is tricky right now? We talk about manipulation on Tuesday, and seems like manipulation was down. That's not great. Because what will happen tomorrow? All day? Yeah, maybe, by the way. I don't want to see like huge move up. I really would like to see slightly lower. You said you want so long. What level would you like to aim for? Sorry, guys. I'm happy I was a bit helpful for you. I'm happy I was helpful. Yeah, it's executions on live account. Not on funded accounts. I entered this 2-minute order block. M2 model was for short here. I didn't engage because stop loss was 63 points. I engaged over here with stop loss 13 points. It will go to buy side. I don't think so, honestly, yet. We're approaching Friday low. I mean, it made a trace right now, but we're approaching Friday low. Only yes. I entered around like 1050. Sometimes, yes, gold not going to the trace at all. Yeah, gold. So exactly what we discussed before. So in order to enter this trade, what should we have? I will explain about Friday low in a moment. Guys, when we talk about hourly PDRA, let's do some sort of top-down analysis. We have high time PDRA. What is our next step? I don't care if it's hourly fair value gap or daily order block step. Who can tell me when we have high time PDRA what we would like to do with this information? Let's create checklist. We have high time PDRA. What next? Who can tell me? No, not about time frames. Next step. Okay, we hit high time PDRA. What should I do next? You're saying like order block. It's not what I want to see from you. Next step. Like right now, I'm sitting on hourly chart. What I want to do next? Let's do step-by-step analysis. I will do next. What? Click a button. Not the right answer. Switch and lower time frame. Exactly right. Exactly right. This means high time frame. Let me do a bit more beautiful. It will give us lower time frame market maker model. That's right. That's right. Next step. Lower time frame market maker model. What we want to do? Who can tell me steps for market maker model? First step, we call this how? Who can tell me how we call first step of market maker model? No. What's the name of this? Let's combine everything together. How we name this? Smart money universal, exactly. Okay, my next question. What is smart money universal? Who knows? What is smart money universal? Smart money universal is SMT indicator. What is smart money universal? Who knows? You trade market maker model. What is smart money universal? Give me definition. Definition of this. What is definition, guys, of smart money universal? I know it's order block. Yes, it can be smart SMT. That's nice. Definition. What is smart money universal? When they take my stop loss. Not what I want to see. Exactly. It's transition from buy, sell program to sell, buy program. That's the definition, guys. And next step, you already answered this, so I'm not going to ask again, is smart money reversal. First, obviously higher from level. Oops. Second, change in the state of delivery. And third is market structure shift or inversion fair value gap. It's up to you what you want to pick. That's what you need to know first. See this? That's your first steps. You need to understand that high time frame PDR give us lower time frame market maker model. That lower time frame market maker model starts with smart money reversal. Smart money reversal is transition from one program to another program. And smart money reversal consists of high time frame level. Lower, by the way, let me change this a little bit. Made a mistake. Lower time frame change in the state of delivery. And lower time frame market structure shift. Right? It's not beautiful. Let me fix this. Friday low taken, that's nice. So perfect. This means using time frame alignment chart, I'm not going to type this because it's going to take so much time. If we have hourly PDRA, we want to switch on 5-minute chart. And our task on 5-minute chart to find smart money reversal signs. Okay, first step. Do we have high time frame level? Do we have high time frame level? Yes, we do have high time frame level, which is hourly fair value gap. Amazing. Do we have lower time frame change in the state of delivery, guys? Do we have it? Yes, no. Yes, we do have it. That's nice. Do we have lower time frame market structure shift or inversion fair value gap? We have both, right? It's even better. Can I say right now we have market maker sell model on 5-minute chart? At least to retrace to discount again, OT, but preferable to drop to this week's again. Can I say this? Yes, of course, I can say this. This means yes, we inside market maker sell model. So it's up to you what you want to consider for your entry because there is millions options to trade market maker model. So you could just enter the open of next candle after we got inversion fair value gap or order block. And target, once again, it's up to you. You can aim for projections. You can aim for internal liquidity levels. For example, it can be flat candles, can be TP, for example, like we got here, right? So flat candles, basically candles that doesn't have wick. Let me change these lines because it's hard to see them. It can be, I call this like internal liquidity levels. You can aim for just OT of this leg up. You can aim for equal lows. It's up to you. Yeah, unfortunately, recently it fails to offer any retracements. But guys, this part makes sense. It's not only for gold, it's overall for any high time frame on any assets. This part makes sense to you guys? Okay. Once again, target, you can pick any target you like. It can be flat candles, these levels, for example. It can be just OT. From entry, once again, there's many options. You can just enter at inversion. You can just enter at order block. You can just enter at the trace to fair value gap. It's up to you. By the way, that's 3-minute chart. The 3-minute chart. No one told me this, but exactly same idea. I don't think it makes huge difference. 5-minute chart. It's even better, by the way. You can enter at the test. You can enter at inversion, order block. That's 3-minute flat candle. We can aim for this internal liquidity level. 3-minute flat candle. Or you can take partials here, right? Flat candle that doesn't have a wick. You can confirm respect of PDRA, but smart money reversal signs. That's it. There is no any other options. Yes, exactly. It explains. My last video, or my very first video about market maker model. Yeah, last video, just watch this if you want this. It was just like short explanation, quick introduction. No. It can be bought just with 1 R. It's up to you. You can aim for any level you like. Not necessarily must be 2 R. It's personal preference. Some people aim for 1 R. I can take target at 3-minute flat candles. I can take target at equal lows. I can take target at projections, at OT. It's up to you. You can take target somewhere here. Once again, it's up to you. I don't want to say like just strictly aim for 2 R inside market maker model. No, not at all. You can close your trade at the 3-minute flat candle at 17.20. Or here, or here, or here. It's up to you. Friday, not really. Sometimes Friday low just beginning of original consolidation, and we want to aim for the end of this original consolidation when we set market maker model. That's why we're aiming for Friday low. Not always it's going to happen, right? Okay, gold was great today. I hope I answered your question, right? Probably micro gold took this level, but gold didn't really take this. Well, back to NQ. I do like how NQ looks so far. I like how we got SMT between ES and NQ, which is, I would say this is what I want to see. So we got SMT with ES and NQ. ES took Friday low. NQ definitely failed. So let's see if we get any signs of smart money reversal on NQ and ES. Yeah, I mean, you still can get market maker model even if inside the range. Simply because if you have high time frame range, you still can trade lower time frame market maker model, right? So target for gold at least 17, 33.17 at least. Yeah, idea of market maker model. Yeah, you can use 2-minute chart, but yeah, better to use like time frame alignment chart. It's better. If it's hourly, preferably to use 5-minute chart. Oh, it can just detest the test of New York Midnight Open. For the test of New York Midnight Open. So it's like 40 points away. In PM session, I know. Tomorrow's FOMC, I don't know if it's going to break the range again. I mean, maybe it's going to create new all-time high. I'm watching for at least back to premium. As you can see, we got low resistance to upside. Yeah, I'm watching for New York Midnight Open retest. Let's see if we get retest of this level. Remember we talked about how to trade low resistance moves? I'm going to remind you guys. So building low resistance right after this. Normally we can get sharp move down to high time frame level. Pretty much we got this to previous week high, for example. After this, we anticipate to get what? Retracement, and at this leg up, we are not going to engage. Preferably, we want to see retracement back down to 50% of this leg, long at this 50%, and aim for the very first buy-side liquidity. Very first buy-side liquidity right at New York midnight open. So at this point, yes, New York midnight open is going to be probably TP. I never full port, by the way. Even when I was passing my 20 Apex accounts, I used just 3 minis. And yes, I passed this quickly, but I didn't full port this. Midnight open price. Let me type in the chat so I will show you. 3.75. I mean, it sounds like a real question, so it's, I guess, a good question. Honestly, I don't think price is going to trace to 2-minute fair value gap. So for M2 model, guys, don't worry. I already have video about M2 model, but next week I will post new one. So this include backtests, because I guess it's going to be easier for everyone to see how it works and how I see this in real time. And I will do more giveaways this week. So my funded futures, new plans is going to be scale and core plans. And I will do new plans of funded next futures. New plan, rapid challenge. So far, I just trade 2 models. It's exactly the same. I would say they are similar, but I trade on NQ 2-minute model, which is order block on 2-minute chart. And on gold and CL, trade order block as well, but on 3 and 5-minute chart and 5-minute chart. So I would say it's the same, just different time frames. No, giveaway is going to be this week. I don't think like it makes any sense right now to run giveaway. No, I already closed my personal account, so I already disconnected all accounts for today. This trade made me $900, a bit more. But new video, yeah, is going to be, I already backtested a little bit, but I would like to backtest just recording my screen. Like maybe 1 month. Because I just, when I backtest, I don't want to show you only winning trades, right? I would like to like go day after day to show how it worked today or tomorrow, in 2 days, in 3 days. It's going to be, I guess, fair to see, to show you how good or how bad it is. So I'm backtesting right now 9 AM hourly power of 3. I already have data for 10 AM hourly power of 3, but for 9 AM, I don't have data. So this backtest is going to be new for me as well. So I don't know how good result is going to be. So far, I backtested just 1 month. I'm going to backtest at least 6 months of data. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, on gold, you got my point. Look at this. Nice. It can be first TP, as I mentioned before. You can aim for any levels on my chart, as I highlighted here. Just first TP. If you guys in this short, you can consider potential. It's not financial advice, but you can consider potential partial at this level if you want, of course. I cannot say like do or not do this. Oh, I do with my hands. Because sometimes, you know, if it's going to do like, if I'm going to write a code, right, it's going to just be like robot. It's going to execute simply because it's provided 2-minute order block. It's not what I want to show you. Idea is to show how I use this using high time frame levels. Yes, there is a video about indicators. Let me show you. So once again, if you sit in the short, you can take partial here. Let me send you the video about indicators. I guess I have all videos that answered all questions. Okay, where is this? This video shows indicator settings. Oh, you're very welcome, so no problem at all. Yesterday I got exactly the same question. Sometimes 4-hour sweep and hourly sweep are the same. I will use 5 minutes. Hourly. In other words, hourly. How many contracts you trade right now? If you're aiming for equal lows, if you don't mind me to ask. Why? Because it's going to give me a smaller stop loss, less risk. Let's stream, because why not? So I don't have any plans for today, so. Oh, okay, only one. That's the problem, yes. Okay, my advice then, just trail your stop loss, okay? Flat candle, you tell me. So guys, flat candle, basically candles that doesn't have wick. But let's talk about candlestick formation. Overall, we have open, high, low, close, or open, low, high, close, right? So this means we anticipate to get accumulation, manipulation, which will form low or high of the candle, then distribution, range expansion. This means flat candle, this candle never had manipulation, right? For manipulation was exactly same as it was open of the candle, which is stupid, right? This means we anticipate to get delayed manipulation. It's not right to say this. I just call this like delayed manipulation. But we anticipate to get this delayed manipulation because initially this candle lack of manipulation. It offered accumulation and immediate move up if it was up close candle. Yes, everything is covered in my market maker model. You can just watch my last video. Oh, hello, you late today. Where were you? You wasn't this long on NQ? Why you didn't short this? This is why we call this like delayed manipulation because I'm stupid. Never say you're stupid, by the way. On gold, guys, if you're right now in this short, once again, not financial advice, but take partial. Just highly recommend. Friendly advice. It was personal account trade. I didn't touch this on my Pandit accounts. Five more points. Let me see what we have 5 points lower. Oh, okay. It should be fine. If you hold and just keep trading your stop loss, okay? Like lower, lower, lower. No reason to put this at break even, okay? Like just keep trading at swing highs. For example, at this swing high. So explanation of this short on my screen. So multi-time frame sweep in other words simply shows potential sweep, so where we got hourly sweep. So this means If I'm going to go here, as you can see, we got sweep. It's just going to show me sweep. Where is your entry? What's the entry price? If you don't want me to ask, you can just put your stop loss right now at 23.30. Just swing high over here. Blue mark. Which one? You mean this one? Guys, once again, if you're in this short, you can take partial. Not financial advice. Okay, if you took 50%, that's amazing. It's in discount, it's at OT, it's 3-minute flat candle. That's amazing, then perfect. All indicators are free on my screen. Let me send you the link. And I'm going to show you settings right now because it's a bit different from default settings. So for this multi-time frame sweep in alert, I use uncheck this box. It will show you not confirmed sweep, but potential sweep. Okay, 20. Oh, then move at break even. That's it. Just at break even. Don't touch. Don't move lower then. Just leave at break even. Unfortunately, I know. I just don't want to say like close here because it's your trade, not my trade. But if I was with one contract, I would close here personally. But once again, it can drop more. I don't want to force you to close the trade. So if you, guys, I just send you this indicator. Uncheck this box because with this box, it's going to show you confirmed sweep after we got candle closure. But if I'm going to uncheck this box, you will see that it's going to show you potential sweep before new candle. Okay. Also, not only market maker model here, but also potential sweep, right? Look at this reaction from this flat candle and seems like, no, we didn't test this volume imbalance. Did I save this picture? I don't think so. Yeah, you're welcome. It's up to you. You can just move at break even right now. But personally, like my personal preference, because you know I'm very conservative. If I was with just one contract, I would out at this level. I just don't want to like tell you like close here because it can drop lower. So Japanese yen still has room to go lower. Remember this analysis from Friday, guys? We did well. We stopped down analysis. Also, we did well on the forex pair, right? On CL, on CL's daily chart, I still would like to see buy side liquidity taken, which is old previous week high level. Then attempt to reverse to equal lows and then reversal. Okay. So then it's fine. So I feel safe for you right now. So as you can see this blue mark here. This means we're about to get potential sweep. But in order to confirm potential sweep, we must have 5-minute OB. We don't have it. It just highlights, but it's like about to offer sweep, but it's not really sweep yet. Can you? I'm going to send you again, but I just sent the link before. Here's indicator, guys. All indicators are free, so how long? I don't know. Like, it's easy to stream right now, so I'm going to stream. It should. Why it's locked? Give me 1 second. No, just add this to your favorite, and that's it. Add to your favorite, refresh your TradingView, and it should be there. It's free indicator. That's strange. Guys, can you please check if it's locked for you or not? I just want to make sure. I can contact the guy who created this. Or he's on stream, I don't know if he's on stream today. It's locked. Okay, let me send him a message. We're going to figure this out. Give me 1 second. Okay, I will ask him, guys. We'll send you tomorrow, okay? No, not tomorrow. Tomorrow no trades because it's FOMC. Maybe PM session, but not AM session. My performance is horrible when I trade pre-FOMC price action. Guys, no Discord links. I'm not going to promote any Discords. I'm here with you, so I don't add new people anymore. By the way, I was thinking about creating Telegram, free Telegram, just to share some insights there. Because lots of scammers on Telegram with my name. I was like, maybe it's a good idea to create my own Telegram and just share some insights. Why ICT is waiting for... I guess he was joking yesterday. We're sitting right now, maybe we'll sit until PM session. Look at gold. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, ICT visited us yesterday. We were surprised as well. He chilled with us for maybe like 10 minutes. Look at this beautiful market maker cell model. Looks better now. He's on vacation, I believe, so... So that's gold, guys. We call this... What time we call this move up? At 9 a.m. We call this move up and this move down. That's nice. What is going on NQ so far? We got a test of weekly open only. So I wanted to see New York midnight. Probably, I still would like to see the test of New York midnight open on... Yeah, I still would like to see the test of New York midnight open on NQ. Normally, yes. I don't use limit orders. I don't think it's bad or not, but I just use market orders to execute. Flat candles, it doesn't have wick. Guys, what is your idea about FOMC tomorrow? We will pump to the moon or it's going to be hard drop? I already said probably. Let me open MNQ real quick. That's my outlook on weekly chart. I hope I didn't delete this. That's my outlook on weekly chart for the next overall idea for the end of the year, but I believe this drop should happen next 5 weeks, 4 or 5 weeks. So between August and September. You think like tomorrow we are going to drop and pump? I think so, because I was thinking about manipulation on Tuesday. We got manipulation down, so it may actually just offer fake move down to pump. Totally possible, yeah. So that's my weekly outlook on weekly chart. So I would like to see we dropping down to weekly bullish fair value gap. We got breakout structure to upside. After this, I would like to see longs. I don't know where. I have no idea where. Then drop again to OT. Flat candle, basically candles that doesn't have a wick. It's 3-minute chart. Let me show you. See these candles? See the candle, like, okay, hourly chart. See this candle? This candle doesn't have wick, like flat bottom, right? So normally when we thinking about candlestick formation, we want to have accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, right? So what happened in this candle? We got accumulation and just move up. So why I would like to see test of flat candle? So basically to offer delayed manipulation. Breaker block. On which time frame? Oops. From asset. Oh, 1 minute chart. I guess it's easier to see on 2 minute chart. Oh, you think like we're going to expand immediately down without retracement to New York midnight open? That's possible, but not what I want to see. It was my trade just to show you. I closed most positions were off at 94, if I'm not mistaken. So here. To the tickly test of weekly open and retracement or reversal. Want to see New York midnight open because the very first buy side liquidity at this low resistance is right at New York midnight open level. I wasn't drew down, like barely drew down. Maybe like 5 points. I entered here. Not here, here. Gold was good today. Oh, let me open 5 minute chart because kind of ugly. So once again, for market maker sell model or buy model, you can aim any levels you like. It can be OT, we got OT. It can be internal liquidity levels. As I said, it can be flat candle, for example. You can aim for any levels you like. So as I said, if I was with one contract, I would close at this candle, flat candle on 3 minute chart. Once again, I wouldn't say Friday low is really important because when we're thinking about, like, let's think about a market in terms of market maker model. Because every move that market makes is part of my market maker model always, right? So, and sometimes, not always, but sometimes market maker model starts with original consolidation, right? And bottom of this consolidation, sometimes it's Friday low. Not always, but this happens. That's why we would like to aim for Friday low sometimes. We got this on ES, that's nice. I like it. I just check gold. What you would like to see on gold? You closed where I want to see your partial level. So look at this. Flat candle on 3 minute chart lined up with OT, basically discount. So what can happen? It can retrace back to premium. That's why I highly recommend to take partial or offer minor retracement to continue going lower. Since it's already 12, I'm not quite sure we can get big move today. So that's why I personally would close here at this 3 minute flat candle because it's already 12, like 12.16. I wouldn't hold like for hours to get, like another like 5 points lower. That's why I said I would like to close at very first conservative level. Remember, best time to trade gold is in the morning between 7 and 9 a.m. Macro 9:50 and 10:10 a.m. and Asia between 7 and 10 p.m. Best time to trade this. Yep. No. I mean, Probably it's going to stuck until tomorrow or maybe Asia, because once again, it's already wrong time to trade gold. It's 12:17, guys. We're asking for too much. Because I'm not sure about Friday low just yet on NQ, but we have 15-minute untapped fair value gap. So we never touch this fair value gap. At like 100 points lower. We got straight move up on 2-minute chart. Obviously, we are not going to consider any MT, right? Like, it doesn't make any sense. Intermediate high broke in the left side. Now you need to wait for intermediate high formation for buy. Yeah, probably you're right about this. So you entered above breaker block and your trade is going to be less than 1 hour. It's lunch. I'm not saying it's bad, just maybe not the right decision. If you like with 1 micro, maybe that's fine to try. Stop loss, obviously, swing low. Target, I would say New York with net open, but I wouldn't long this. Kind of retracement anticipated, but not reversal. Which Apex account is better? Like regular one. So this trading drawdown. Previous day low level. Where is this previous day low level? My chart. I deleted probably. Give me 1 second. $4.36. Yeah, I cannot see this. $4.36. Come on. Yeah, it's about to take the Zen. Yeah, especially seeing like we got. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense not to take Zen. Especially we were so close. Oh, look at this. Really? It was like less than 2 points away. Now it's stupid then. So we have two scenarios right now. It's going to respect 50% of this leg up to pump to New York midnight open and drop to previous day low level. Or it's going to invert the 2-minute fair value gap, which was measuring gap, right? Oops. Front tool. Which was measuring gap. And we will drop immediately right below this. And around so. Best time to trade the SNQ is, I would say, between 8:30 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. and before 10. Yeah, between 8:30 a.m. and 10. So, like 90 minutes window. Because I'm not saying like bad price action after 10, it's just kind of slow recently. I made a bit more than $900. If you want to learn ICT, I highly recommend to start with core content. Yeah. Because you will get like basics. What is fair value gap? What is order block, breaker block? Don't start with Mentorship 2022 because you're going to confuse yourself even more. Start with core content. By the way, I have syllabus, I guess, on my Twitter. I posted this long time ago. Will repost this again tomorrow, today. And after you watch core content, especially month 4, it's very important. Month 7 and month 9, I believe. You can switch in Mentorship 2022. Don't try to look for models without even understanding what is fair value gap, what is order block. Oh, PM session recently is garbage. I will not be surprised, consolidation the rest of the day because tomorrow is FOMC. In my opinion, month 4, 7, and 9. This is what I liked. But highly recommend to watch all 12. Yeah, it's going to take some time. Yeah, ICT, by the way, posted some charter videos, right, from this private group. So you can watch this, but I recommend this as core content first. Oh, funded next future? Yeah, of course. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. So personally, I'm going to get 25K, I guess, because I can scale up to 12 accounts. We'll go for this, yeah. We'll do also a giveaway of new prop firms. So they launched yesterday Rapid Challenge. So they have special pricing for 14 days. So regular price for 50K is $129. With special pricing is $99. With my code, you'll get extra 10%. So basically, your account is going to cost you $89 for 50K and $50 for 25K. This means you don't need to pay activation fee. You don't need to pay just one-time evaluation fee. They will not charge you for the second month, for the third month. It's just one-time fee. Which means what? True cost to funding is going to be this price. You will not pay more than this price. Personally, I'm not sure which account I want to get because I can skip maximum allocation for funded accounts 300K. It's for futures. They have CFD as well, but they launch for futures, which is solid deal, and that's pretty much affordable for everyone. I'm not sure if I'm going to trade AM session tomorrow, honestly. If you're going to blow your account, of course, you can reset, which doesn't make any sense. You can just buy a new one. But let's say you didn't pass for 1 month. Normally, you will get like the new fee, right? For the second month if you didn't pass for 1 month. But here you are not going to charge for the second month. So if you didn't pass for 1 month, you don't need to pay any money for this. You can continue trading your accounts. Yeah, 1 mini or 5 micros, exactly. So you can be funded up to 300K account, 300K. This means you can get 12 25Ks or 6 50Ks accounts, which is sold as well. So there is no daily loss limit. It's actually crazy, right? So it's pretty much interesting because you don't have you have maximum loss limit, which is $2,000, which is a regular one, right? You don't have end of the day drawdown. You don't have daily once again daily loss limit. You don't have trade and drawdown. You don't have consistency rules on challenge on your evaluation. You're going to have consistency on your funded account. So that's sold, guys. That's extremely cheap. And you will get 100% profit split. Which is also nice. And after 5 payouts, you can take all your money. Do I trade tomorrow? I'm not sure, because according to statistics, my worst trades on Friday and pre-FOMC price action. So I'm not sure. So it was my personal account. Didn't take any trades on funded accounts today. Guys, if you want to copy trades, you can find someone else. I don't mind. Trades were called before it even happened. Before this setup even happened, so. Yeah, I mean, maybe no reason to trade even tomorrow. Strategy available on my YouTube. Just watch my last videos. Like last 5 videos explains everything. I don't promote my Discord. I don't accept new people anymore. So, oops. Something went wrong. Yeah, probably I'm not going to trade tomorrow as well. AM session, because once again, my performance not best during pre-FOMC price action. Maybe I will give it a try to trade PM session, but not sure yet. So as I said, probably Tuesday is going to be manipulation. Tomorrow is FOMC. Will offer like 2 stages delivery. One is going to be fake, probably continuation lower, and it will try to pump again. So I just believe market just not yet ready to drop. Yeah. Don't trade FOMC itself. Trade after 3 p.m. So the best move probably will happen after 3. Oh yeah, I do this daily. I always post my pre-market plan because it's good for me. I cannot say I even recommend setup to trade after FOMC price action. It's just sometimes regular unicorn setups, sometimes just potential sweep. 75. Leave this for tomorrow, maybe for Thursday. Don't try to pause this right now. Just trust me, it's not going to end well. Okay. Nothing is going on so far. Guys, any other questions? Maybe it's time to take a break, lunch break. 12:30. So we kind of started consolidating so far. Boring. Lost 500. I blew my account with exactly the same situation long time ago. So yeah, it's crazy. Yeah. Lunch for losers. Did you? Not really. It was so slow today. So we spent like 2 hours to drop 100 points, 3 hours. So I decided to sit more to see what will happen next because I don't have any plans today for PM session and lunch. So just to eat, probably. Yeah, for scalpers, probably it's like killing price action. Ten points. By the way, the hardest part, uh, for me is to. It's not that hard to get like 50, maybe 100 points in queue, but the hardest part to get like 10 points. Because I remember I was trying to scalp. It was like maybe maybe a bit less than 2 years ago. I was like, maybe I need to be a scalper. I know to find 10 points setup is just crazy hard for some reason. How you scalping? Couldn't know. I never, by the way, I don't use RTH gaps at all. Never ever used. 15 to the second. It's fast for me. Market maker consolidation model. Can you please lock your account because $70 left? You don't want to trade this, trust me. Yeah, it's summer price action. Yeah, I agree. I use 3, and 5 minute charts only. You like this already? Okay. Okay, guys, it's time for lunch. Not going to trade IM session tomorrow because once again, I don't want to trade pre-FOMC price action. I will come back by maybe PM session, but I'm not sure yet. So guys, I will see you tomorrow. Maybe on Thursday because not quite sure about tomorrow. Take a break. Right now it's consolidating. I guess no reason to watching trade price action right now. Okay, guys. Wish you perfect the rest of the day. Don't make stupid mistakes. And yeah, I will see you probably tomorrow. Be safe, guys. Bye bye.